New to WhatsApp and not sure what it's all about? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll tell you all about what WhatsApp is and how it works. Now let's get started. What exactly is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is a messaging platform available globally on all kinds of devices, including iPhone, Android, tablets, and computers. You sign up with your phone number and can communicate with any of your friends and family members around the world, as long as they also have a WhatsApp account and an internet connection. You can send messages, create group chats, send photos and videos, and have video and audio calls, all for free using WhatsApp. This does not charge any long-distance fees that you might encounter when using your typical SMS and phone call services. All you need is Wi-Fi. Another benefit is that WhatsApp is safe to use, as they have end-to-end encryption to keep your conversations private and secure. How does WhatsApp work? It uses your device's internet connection to allow you to communicate with your family and friends. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, this won't use any of your mobile data. WhatsApp allows you to import your contacts from your device and can automatically detect which of your contacts are already using WhatsApp, making it easier for you to get in touch. You can create message groups of up to 100 people and have voice or video calls with up to 32 people at a time. If you're ready to start using WhatsApp, check out this tutorial to learn how to get the app. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.